Hey there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to reactivate the deleted Facebook account. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So all you have to do is head over to your Chrome browser and search for facebook.com, Facebook login or sign up. If you have, let me just make sure you're of something that if you have logged out or if you have deleted your Facebook account within 30 days, so you can be just chill. You can just chill because Facebook doesn't delete your account until 30 days. It will just survey until you might change your mind, right? So if you change your mind, you can just log right into it, and until then, within these 30 days, your Facebook account will just be deactivated. And once you don't log in into your Facebook account within these 30 days, so after that your Facebook account will be just deleted. Poof. So all you have to do is to make sure your account was deleted within 30 days. And if it was, then just chill because your account is just deactivated. All you have to do is give your email and give your password, and that's just how you can go and log in into your account. And that's it. If this video helped you out, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you in the next one.